Batman. We can also use the AI prompt generator, but we will go ahead with this. Will save some time. Now we'll have 4 images. We'll select this one, save to your device. Then we go to hugging face, spaces, depth, anything, version 2. Drop the image here. This is that image. Then we go to compute depth. It is pretty fast. You can see the red areas are proximal, the white one or cool shades are distal. We will not need the color one, so we will download the black and white one. Now we go to WIMP, GIMP. Drop the images here. Open our folder, downloads. The sequence is important. First the depth map, then the image. Maximize, filters, high pass. We should keep it just such that just the details are there. Okay. Colors, color to alpha. We can play with this, but I think this is good enough. Click OK. Export as an image. We'll rename the depth map Batman. Export, export. Open Blender. Delete the cube. Add a plane. Edit mode. Subdivide 10 times. Subdivide 10 times. Subdivide 5 times. Go to object mode, add modifier, deform, displace, new texture, open the file which you just created, open image, and here we are. We need to adjust this. Look at it from the side a little bit first. This needs some polishing because in our GIMP we had kept these details, which actually we can try to remove. So we'll again go back, filters, high pass. I think this is more affected by color to alpha. So if we increase, this will make it more smooth. Let it be this way. Export TM Batman. One. Export. Export. Create a new texture by opening this file dm1. You see the difference, and now we can readjust. You can see it is now more smooth. Still there are some resolution passes. We apply this. Shade smooth, give us some edge, some smoothness. But the good thing is that all the contours are maintained in a way that it's not about dark or light areas in the image, but rather the areas which are protruding out, like this nose and the background which is depressed. This is non-manifold, so we'll correct this also. Go to edit mode, select all, extrude on Z axis, extrude a little bit more, come back to, we need to flip normals. Just now I don't remember which is the mode for flip normals, so we'll go and make manifold, and this will take care. One thing which I forgot was that once we have extruded, we need to fill also. So now it is solid. Go back to make manifold, and now we have a solid structure just like what we wanted. We select this and export as STL. Bas Relief. Export. Open your slicer. Import that STL. Scale it. Now we may need to we'll use this to make it a real round object. Remove the base, perform this cut, and now we have this Bas Relief which can be printed. Thank you.